Hello everyone. So far we have made these 4 shapes of granny. We have made granny rectangle, square, triangle and hexagon. Today we will make granny circle. For granny circle we will follow the same routine we did for square and hexagon. That is, we will make chain 4, ring, and then we will make our first round in that ring of 4 chains. You will start with making a slip knot. This is how I make it. Then we will make chain 4, 1, 2, 3. You just wrap the yarn around your crochet hook and slide it through the loop on the hook, and that's our 4 chains. Now we will go back in the first chain and make a slip stitch. We will make slip stitch and join our ring. This is our ring. Now we will make chain 3. Remember, chain 3 counts as 1 double crochet, and we will come back and make first double crochet in this ring. Now we have 2 double crochets. One is chain 3 and one is the double crochet we have just made. Now if you remember, in granny square we made clusters of 3 double crochets and then made 2 chains, but in granny circle we are going to make clusters of 2 double crochets and chain 1. Now there are definitely different versions of this granny circle, and you can try and see which one you like best. In another variation you will just make 12 double crochets without any chain. So after making the cluster of 2 double crochets, we are going to make 1 chain and then make 2 double crochets again. Chain 1, and we are going to make 6 clusters in total, divided with 1 chain 1. 6 clusters and in total 12 double crochets. Let's see how many we have. This is the first one, second, third, fourth and fifth. Now we are going to make our last one. Chain 1 and 2 double crochets and chain 1 and join with the first chain 3. This is our first round. Chain 3 and turn your work. In all these chain 1 spaces we are going to make our clusters. So this is our first cluster in the first chain 1 space, and we will chain 1 after each cluster. Chain 1 and next chain 1 space. chain 1 and next space. In same way we will make one cluster and one chain throughout and complete our circle. Chain 1 and join with the first chain 3. Chain 3, turn your work, and now in the spaces that we have, we are going to make, in the spaces we are going to make 2 clusters divided with 2 chains. First cluster, chain 2 and second cluster. In all of these spaces we are going to repeat the same pattern, and in between we are going to chain 1. In the space we are going to make 2 clusters divided with 2 chains. Next cluster, next space, and in this way we will come full circle. Chain 1, and this is our last chain 1 space. This is going to be our last set of clusters. So chain 2, this is our last set of clusters. One set of cluster, chain 2 and second set, second cluster, chain 1 and join with the first chain 3. Let's see. So in the next round you are going to make 1 cluster in each space and chain 1 in between. So your repeat will be 1 cluster, chain 1, 1 cluster, chain 1. So we will follow the same pattern. Above every cluster you will make chain 1, and in each space you will make a granny cluster, and you will continue building your circle. So this is the final look of our granny circle. You will continue building in this manner. You will do one more round similar to this, where you are making just 1 cluster and 1 chain, and then you will repeat this round where you are making 2 clusters in each chain 1 space and chain 2. So in each of these spaces you will make 1 cluster, chain 2 and 1 cluster. In this way your circle will not buckle, it will lay flat, and you will have a beautiful circle. So these are the shapes we have made so far. Let's see what other shape we can make using the same granny cluster. Take care and see you next time.